just got done hitting the window and it's stunned or it's probably going to die. I've been petting and touching it, hoping like a little movement might get it to come out of its shock. I don't think it's going to make it. Come on. Oh, I hate it when they hit the window. I know it hit hard. I know that. A little bit alert, so it just doesn't fall over and end up dying. You're still stunned and snapping out of it, I hope. But at least you're moving around looking. I didn't think you was going to make it.